Hi everyone, this is Dan with the Webaround, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up your Webaround green screen with Manycam. Manycam is a program that allows you to create customized cameras that can be used in programs that don't allow for Chroma Key natively. Please note that Manycam does have a license fee that will need to be purchased before being able to Chroma Key. Setting up the Webaround green screen with Manycam should take about 1 minute overall. Let's get started. To begin, open up Manycam, and we're going to start by adding a camera. On the main screen, click on the plus icon in the middle of the static box. At the top of that pop-up menu, you should see the available cameras and your webcam should be listed here. Select your camera from this menu, and it will automatically add the camera to your layer. Next, let's add some Chroma Key. On the sidebar, navigate to the Chroma Key tab. You want to first toggle the Chroma Key filter and it will begin to Chroma Key. In this settings tab, you'll also be able to tweak each setting to get the perfect coverage. You can let the program automatically pick the best color for chroma keying or pick it yourself. You can also drill down the advanced settings to reduce or increase smoothness and spill suppression. Everyone's settings in this will be different, so take some time to tweak what works best for you, your lighting, and your environment. To add a background, it's as simple as clicking the background selection and selecting your image, and we're done. You should now be able to open programs like WebEx and GoToMeeting and select Manycam Virtual Webcam from your camera settings. All of your settings should stay the same, and you'll be able to fully utilize a green screen in a multitude of programs that may not have had the feature available. For more information on integrating a Webaround green screen with Manycam, feel free to drop us a line in email or direct message us on Twitter. Links are in the description down below. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.